You're not done?
No, you can't do that.
Nico Tia TV. Subscribe to the channel.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You haven't seen us in like 2 weeks, but we're back. Come baby, we back. Okay, definitely not.
Today I'm not baby. I'm the gym instructor, so I don't even know who is sitting down here. But hello, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Basically, guys, we thought we'd film today because obviously I'm pregnant. I'm 7 months pregnant, and I've been getting a lot of pains, like my knees and my legs and my back. And my instructor searched up one night, why is my wife getting so many pains? One of them was exercise, and I haven't actually been exercising, and I'm 7 months pregnant.
Not even once.
I've not done it once. So from today we're gonna start exercising.
Yes, boss.
I like what we just did.
Yes, boss.
We've decided that we're gonna do 30 days training.
Make it not look like I'll be gym instructor in this whole 20 days. I'm not gonna be Boga. I'm a different instructor.
Okay, but I'm gonna do 30 days.
30 days.
Yeah. Or
Yes, pregnant man. Are they for you?
so weird.
Who's weird?
You're weird.
I'm gonna fire myself to be a gym instructor. You know?
Okay, I'll do it myself. I have an app. Anyway, guys, so today I'm gonna use an app called Flat Tummy app. So this app, I actually bought it last month because I wanted to start gymming last month, but I did not do it. But we're here now, and we're gonna start. So on this app, the workouts are 30 minutes or less. So you can either have beginner, intermediate, advanced, etc, etc, etc. Also with this app, they have hundreds of recipes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, tells you exactly what's inside, tells you how to cook it, which is a good thing because some of y'all can cook, just saying.
You say some people can cook?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Some people can't cook, so you know, it's good, it's really helpful for them, you know what I mean? Also, if like you're vegan or vegetarian, or if you're just a normal person that just eats everything, like me, minus pork, then there's options for you to, you know, have different, different recipes, different meals, that's it, different meals. But if you guys do want this app, there's a 7-day free trial, so you have 7 days to try it out. And yes, so, are you ready, instructor?
Pardon?
Are you ready?
I need the instructor name. Instructor BLM, Black Lives Matter.
Also, I forgot to say, when you use this app, you don't need any equipment, which is good. But I do need to buy a pregnancy ball, don't I, babe? I mean, Instructor BLM.
Yeah. Instructor BLM has ordered that birth balloon, a birth ball. Birth ball is coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And since it's going to be a 30-day in a row challenge, or not even a challenge, 30-day in a row exercise, each day is going to be different type of exercise, different type of challenges, you know.
Okay. I have the app on my phone, yeah, the Flat Tummy app.
I work with this app, I work with this company, you know.
So guys, it has the option full body, core, squat, lower body or upper body. What are we doing today?
Don't worry about it, I'll leave that to me. Can you let me control? Babe, why are you the instructor? I should say. Okay, we're there inside the building.
Okay, so what are we doing today? I want to know. I'm hungry.
We can't do a lot today because it's the first day. So today we are doing core work.
What?
Today we are doing squats.
Oh my gosh, you said today is not going to be hard. They're both
today
hard.
we are doing full body. Today is gonna be a full body workout. Reason is because not exercising for the whole 7 months of your pregnancy, you need the whole body to produce this adrenaline running through your body. So in order to create that adrenaline running through your body, you need to have a full body workout. So the blood can flow through the vein, intestine in the head, through the feet, intestine.
No, you're trying rubbish.
So let's get in the workout, guys.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, yes. Oh,
alright,
guys. Yes. Guys, instructor BLM. I just do hand signs. When I do this, that means you start.
Alright, so we've got the app. Oh, by the way, we don't have mats, so we're using towels.
Is it your job or in the instructor job too? I'm with.
It's not every day.
No, I need to show you how to gym.
Every day.
I need to show you how to gym, Charlie. I want to show them before after effect, you know. And also, guys, the mat also helps you. Hey, not this mat. The towel helps you locate your culture. The reason why it helps you locate your culture is if, let's say, you're on your knee or you're on your leg and you're squatting, and you look on the floor and there's a mat, you're gonna be like, oh, this mat. But if you look on the floor and it's your old towel, you'll be like, oh, this is my old towel. Let me just finish. Do you get it? Do you get it?
Actually done that here. Come start.
So as you oh, Jesus. We're gonna get into the workout. Today's workout is full body. My pregnant student here, how to, pelvic exercises for the hair. And also,
how to pelvic exercises for the hair.
Also, calf exercises. Because when you're pregnant, your feet and your legs are all gonna be hurting. So the last 2 months is the final race. So that's what we're gonna get into.
But we're gonna try to do this for 30 days.
So you're gonna be seeing us here on this spot for 30 days.
On the app, it allows you to track your 30 days, which I didn't know until now.
If you don't know about flat tummy, just go on your app store or your Google store and search flat tummy. So before we get into it, just face me. You take 2 steps back. 1, 2, half step back, half. Yeah, like that. In working out, you have to do everything systematically and mathematically.
Oh my gosh.
Did you want me to be your instructor or not?
Can you just click start so we can work out?
Okay, so you have to do systematically and mathematically. So this jumping jacks, we're gonna do 15 reps. Okay, get ready. You've got this. 3. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pregnant woman.
13, 14, 15.
Right now, so the next one is called step and jump. I don't even know what that is. You have to step, stand, and then come off.
Okay.
So you stand on my back. You step, stand. We're doing 10 reps of that. So she steps and then she steps down. There's meant to be a little box, but we haven't got a box, so you only step. Push up.
I can't even do one push up.
Push up is one of the easiest exercises in the world, but some females find it difficult. Since she's pregnant, she's gonna find it more difficult. So, get into position.
I'm doing this one because I can't do the other one.
What are you doing?
I'm doing the one with my knees on the floor.
Okay, go on then. Just go. 4.
4. 2. 4. Finish next. Next. There's hard.
No comments. No comments. Guys, remember we're going to be doing this for 30 days.
Woo! Jeez.
You have to go in the plank. We're going to hold it for 20 seconds. I'm on the timer.
Okay.
So guys, you know where a plank is, right? So you just two hands. Okay. Go for it. Keep your legs here.
Wait.
So we'll do this.
So what did I just do?
Literally, this is what you're doing. You're doing this.
No, my legs was up. Don't lie. My legs was up.
Do it again. Stretch your legs out.
They're out.
Try to push your arms more forward.
Oh.
Yeah, that's
But I
what you do.
can't.
And don't keep your arms together, baby. Keep
This is what you just did.
5, 4.
No, quick! What time am I counting? 2, 1.
2,
Oh.
1.
Oh.
I can feel little man. You just say, I'm saying gym. So, on flat tummy, these 5 body workouts, listen, you just keep repeating it.
Oh.
You just keep going again. That's day 1.
So we just did day 1.
So jumping jacks again still. Someone do it with you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so on the second time round, we're going to replace the push-ups with squats.
And the squat, this is how long you do it. The hands straight, and then you go. And then you stay there for 4 seconds. And then you get up, you turn face 360, you go. So 20 seconds on until over. You get me?
Okay.
Alright, cool. So when you're ready, let's go. 2, 3.
What type of seconds is this? 4, 5. Next.
3, 4, 2, 1, 5. Okay, let's go. But we need to be like straight after.
Babe, come on! Oh, you're taking a piece. What type
We're starting over.
No, I'm not doing that. That's not second.
How many gyms are that? You know
Babe,
this.
it hurts, man. You can't do that. I'm pregnant.
2 more, let's go. 2,
Oh my god.
3, 4.
I finished. I did it.
No. You're doing it again. Let's go.
No, I'm not.
Have you done this easy? You haven't finished on this one. So let's go. 2, 3. You're not done?
No, you can't do that. We just did half an hour workout.
Listen, that was not for you. That was day 1.
It's actually hard.
Get ready for day 2. Day 2, different exercise, different workout mode. And guys, if you want to get involved as I'm instructing, just do it if you're pregnant. If you're not pregnant, you want to keep your body in shape.
Yeah, guys, do it with us.
We're getting 30 days. Let's get it.
30
days. We're getting it 30 days. You get me? So yeah, if you want to join, make sure you join in. It will help you out. Don't forget the app, Flat Tummy app.
Now I'm going to go on the app again and just make a smoothie. Obviously, some of the stuff that is on the app I don't have, so I'll just replace it with what I want because obviously I'm pregnant. Don't forget there's a 7-day free trial, so you have 7 days to try it out.
And don't forget, tomorrow we're back again, so catch us tomorrow.